Mladinski simfonični orkester Dusika združuje mlade glasbenike danskih konzervatorijev in akademij. Pod vodstvom dirigenta Christiana Öhlanda so nastopili tudi na letošnjem festivalu Bled.
I usually work with professional grown-up orchestras in the Nordic region and Germany, but this year I have the pleasure of working with Dusika, which is the Copenhagen Region Youth Orchestra. So it's a bit different, but it's along the same lines. Yeah.
Dirigenta smo povprašali tudi o razlikah med profesionalnim in mladinskim orkestrom.
I think there are many differences, but I think in the work process you practice more and you need to learn it a bit slower, but the enthusiasm and the wanting to play that you see in a youth orchestra is wonderful. And the atmosphere and the way that we travel together and we get to actually be more of a family than you usually are when you're somewhere for 1 week, and here we are here for most of the year. It's wonderful.
Kariera v glasbi je bila zanj skoraj samoumevna.
I come from a family of musicians, and then it's not that big a decision to do, but to me everything came from a love for classical music and a love for this repertoire that we play. Also tonight, pieces like Tchaikovsky's Fifth Symphony and Nielsen, our Danish beloved composer, which is very important. So I think it comes from the music and the love for the work, yeah.
Na letošnjem koncertu se je predstavila tudi flautistka Dite Agerholm.
Tonight I am the soloist of the concert, so I'm playing a flute concerto by a Danish composer called Carl Nielsen. So I will be playing in front of the orchestra, playing the solo part.
Solistka nam je tudi zaupala, kako je igrati sam pred celotnim orkestrom.
It's very amazing to have so many people behind you playing. Usually I would play the concerto with piano, for example, and it's completely different to play with a whole orchestra, and they're just having your back and giving so much energy and power to your playing. It's really wonderful.
Čeprav je del simfoničnega orkestra, Dite v prostem času ne posluša le klasične glasbe.
I like to listen to a lot of different music, sometimes classical, but it's also nice to just listen to the radio or hear something else, because it gets, it gets a little much. Sometimes maybe just listening to classical music.
Mladi glasbeniki so se za koncert gotovo dolgo pripravljali in so ga na koncu tudi vrhunsko izpeljali v festivalni dvorani.